Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom here to show you how to search your Gmail with 3 tips on searching effectively. This video will cover the basics, the next one will go deeper. When people are looking for stuff in their Gmail, they often just scroll through their inbox like this, looking for things with their eyeballs. There are 2 big problems with this approach. It's tedious, and it won't always work because you're only seeing mail that's in your inbox, not all of your mail. If you've moved or deleted the email you're looking for, you'll never find it this way. The good news is that Gmail was built to take advantage of Google's fantastic search capabilities. You just have to know how to use them. First of all, you need to open Gmail in a web browser like this, not through Apple Mail or Outlook or anything like that. You can use any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to use Chrome for this example. Once it's open, go to Gmail and sign in if needed like this. So now we're looking at the Gmail inbox. The basic search process is just 3 easy steps. Step 1, move your cursor into the search box up here. You can do that by moving your mouse pointer into the search box and then clicking once. Or, pro tip, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Just tap the / key on your keyboard like this, and the cursor jumps right into the search box. Step 2, type what you're looking for. I'm going to use the word organize. As you type, Google presents you with a list of suggestions for what you might be looking for, both search terms and emails that match. If the message you're looking for shows up here, you have the option to just click on it and go directly to that message. But let's see what happens if we run the search. Step 3, run the search. You can do it from the keyboard with the Enter or Return key. They look like this, depending on whether you're a Windows or Mac user. Or you can click right up here on the magnifying glass. That'll do the same thing. Once I run the search, I see the search results. In this case, 54 messages are discovered. 50 of them are shown on the first page. Notice that searching for organize also matched organization and organizing. The search is pretty smart. So it's really easy and really fast, but there are too many results here to be useful. It's like Goldilocks. The 2 biggest problems with search are either getting too many results or too few. That is, your search doesn't turn up what you're looking for. So here's some tips for searching effectively. Let's use as an example, I'm trying to find a specific email from my friend Fred about our upcoming vacation in Japan. I know it's here somewhere, but where? To clear the previous search, just click the X up here and you're all ready for the next one. Tip 1, use uncommon words. Right now I have 203 messages in my inbox and 1,231 in all mail. If I search for the word vacation, I get 54 results, as you saw. If I search for plan instead, I get 94, still too many. If I search for the word Japan, though, I only get 16 results, much more manageable. And here's the message I was looking for, which, by the way, doesn't have the words vacation or plan anywhere in it. And in fact, nowhere in the visible part of this email do you see the word Japan. It's in the attached PDF file. When you search, Google looks at the sender, the recipients, the subject line, the body of the email, even the contents of attachments are part of the search. So, when you're searching, try to think of the most unusual word that's likely to be in the email. And don't be afraid to try a few options. Tip 2, combine search terms. Remember when I searched for vacation, I got 54 results, and when I searched for plan, I got 94. If I search for the 2 words together, vacation and plans, I only get 15. Much more effective. Note that when you use more than one word, it has to match all of the terms you give it. So if I add the word tomorrow to this search, it won't find anything because there are no emails that include all 3 words, vacation, plans, and tomorrow. Tip 3, check spam and trash results. It's easy to miss this, but if you scroll down to the bottom of the results, search includes the spam and trash portions of your email. If you've already deleted the email you were looking for or it accidentally got labeled as spam, you can still find it for 30 days. So that's all you need to get started with search. Now, here's a quick recap of the steps we covered. For every search, click in the search box or tap the / key on your keyboard. Type your search terms and then either press the Enter or Return key or click the magnifying glass to run the search. For better searches, use unusual words, combine search terms, and don't forget to check the spam and trash results. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.